What's the meaning of active list? Active list. Active list. Active list. Active list. Active list. An active list is a term used to refer to a dynamic list that constantly changes based on certain criteria or events. Unlike static lists, which maintain a fixed set of items, active lists are updated in real time to reflect the most current information available. For example, an active list of top-selling items on an e-commerce website will change frequently as customers buy different products. Similarly, an active list of trending topics on social media will update in real time as users engage with different posts. Overall, active lists provide a more dynamic and up-to-date view of data compared to traditional static lists, making them useful for monitoring trends, identifying patterns, and staying informed in real time.